Good morning, students. Today we will discuss equation from chapter Simple Equation. Already we discussed about constant, variable, and expression. Now today we will discuss equation. Equation is a kind of a condition on a variable. It is one kind of a condition. In an equation, there is always equality sign, and in an equation there is a equality sign. You have to must remember that things there is equality sign, but in expression there is a no equality sign. You observe already. Now you can observe in a equation there is equality sign. The equality sign shows that, and that equality sign shows that the value of expression left side means LHS side, and other side is called as a RHS side, means is equal to the value of expression to the right of the sign. This is called as a RHS, and left to the side it is called as a LHS. Means this is your expression, this part is your LHS and this part is your RHS. And if you observe, there is a one equality sign. This is called as a equation. 5x plus 3 is equal to 33 is an equation. But if they are showing that 5x plus 3 is greater than 33, this greater than sign, if you observe this is the greater than sign, then you can say that this is not a equation like that. Less than sign means if the both sign, these signs are RHS in an equation, then you can say that this is not an equation. But if you observe the equality sign, that part is called as a equation, that expression is called as a equation. For better to understand, you just remember some things that are: first, remark, at least one of the two expression must contain a variable. Means at least one of the two expression, this is one expression and this is one expression, these two are expression, means this is LHS side and RHS, must contain a variable. And in this part you observe that the x is a variable. You already know that what is meant by the variable. Okay, if this part arises in an expression, then you can say that this is an equation. Now next, an equation remains same when the expression on the left and right are interchanged. This property is often useful for the solving equation. Means if you are changing, if we are writing 33 is equal to 5x plus 3, means if we are changing LHS as a RHS and RHS as a LHS, then this still remains same, the equation remain same, and then this is called as a equation. I hope you understand this part. Now we are moving next, solution of an equation. This is very much important part. If you understand this part, you can solve the example based on that. Okay, I hope you pay attention and understand that part. A number which, when substituted for a variable in an equation, make LHS is equal to RHS. Means whenever we are putting the value of variable in an expression, the LHS and RHS, both the answer are same, are said to be a satisfy the equation, and it is called as a solution of an equation when that particular value of an variable is your solution. For that purpose we just took one example, or look at that example. 3x is a solution of an equation 2x minus 5 is equal to 1. Means this 3x is satisfy the LHS and RHS. How we can find out? For that purpose I am writing the LHS. This part, this is your expression. Okay, LHS of the expression 2x minus 5, I am writing this LHS is equal to, and what they are given, x is equal to 3. This is x is equal to 3. We have to put this x is equal to 3 in equation. Now put x is equal to 3 in LHS. This is your LHS. In that LHS we are putting the value of x is equal to 3. This, for that purpose 2 I am writing as it is. What is the value of x? I'm writing that value of x in bracket, minus 5. Now everyone know that there is a no sign between these two, there is a multiplication sign, then you have to multiply these two. 3 2s are 6, minus 1, sorry, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5. And if you are solving this 6 minus 5, what is the answer? 1. What is the answer? 1. Then write LHS is equal to 1. Give the equation number 1. Then everyone know that this part is RHS. Write RHS is equal to 1. Observe this equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Means what is the value of LHS? If we are put the value of x is equal to 3 in an expression, we get LHS is equal to 3. And already they are given that x is RHS, this 1, both the values are same. After putting the value of x is equal to 3 and RHS, both the value LHS and RHS are same, then we can say that the x is equal to 3 is a solution of a given equation. Now observe in second equation or second example, n is equal to 1 is the solution of an equation. We have to find which expression they are given, or equation. N plus 5 is equal to 19. Now I am writing the n plus 5 is equal to 19 as it is, and n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1 in LHS. LHS part of this, LHS is equal to n plus 5. Here LHS is equal to n plus 5. We have to put the value of n is equal to 1 in a given equation or LHS part. Write the LHS is equal to n plus 5. Now put the value of n is equal to 1. Instead of that n, we have to put 1. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Okay, LHS is equal to 1. Give the equation number 1. Okay, and observe the answer. This part is your RHS. Write down the RHS is equal to 19. Observe LHS and RHS, both are different, means from 1 and 2 LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore we can say that n is equal to 1 is not a solution of a given equation. I hope you understand this part. If you are getting any kind of problem or doubt in your mind, just ask me. Have a nice day.